Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This channel primarily shares information related to AI. If you like the content of this channel, feel free to subscribe. Recently, generative AI has been developing very rapidly. From the initial text-to-image generation to the current text-to-video generation. Today, I want to introduce to everyone an impressive online AI platform called Suno AI that generates music from text. Before starting the video introduction, I'll let you listen to the following 3 songs. Can you identify which songs are sung by real people and which ones are generated by AI?
Why you leave me so soon? Gone just like the moon. True love we supposed to be, now it's just a memory. Heartbreak in the night, no longer holding tight. Tears fall like the rain, feeling all this pain. Why you leave me so soon? Dancing to a lonely tune. True love turned to dust, lost in the midst of us.
Machines are taking over here, going to circuits here. Our lives pushed with fear. Tech God now appear. Digital eyes wide awake, bits and bytes create. Jobs will all forsake. Tick tock, humans break. AI save us from doom. Cradle us in metal womb. Fix our broken minds real soon. Avant-garde, rising boom. It's floating in the night.
Her eyes glow bright, she dances in the light. A girl so full of might, chasing dreams every night. Step by step she goes, in her heart the love flows. Everywhere she blooms, she knows life is bright as it shows. Sunshine in her smile goes on for miles. She's got the style, yeah, she's worthwhile. With every beat she learns her spirit.
Did you guess it? Actually, all 3 songs were generated using AI. This brings us to the main focus of today's introduction, Suno. The key points of its generative method are very simple. Let's take a look together. First, let's go to Suno's homepage. You can find the website link in the description box below. The content on the homepage looks quite simple, mainly consisting of music generated by other users, which you can click on and listen to freely.
Years apart, where to tell you it's that we shouldn't be apart again. You know how much I fight for you. I don't want.
The results generated by others sound pretty good. Now, let's try generating something ourselves. First, we click on the Create option in the list on the left. Then, you'll see that the latest module is v3.5, and the generated music can be up to 4 minutes long. Next, we can fill in the desired song description in the song description field below. This is somewhat similar to the concept of text-to-image generation, but here it is applied to generating songs. Here, I will enter a description to generate a cute song for a baby. After entering the description, simply click the Create button below to start generating the song. Suno will generate 2 songs based on your description, including the cover art and lyrics. The generation process usually doesn't take long, and it can be completed in about 2 minutes. Okay, the songs have been generated. Let's listen to the results.
Little baby, close your eyes. Tiny dreams begin to rise. In the sky, a star is born, shining bright till early morn. Soft and sweet, your lullaby, like a wave with moon so high. Rest your head and start to dream.
The first song sounds quite good. Let's listen to the second one.
Little baby, close your eyes. Tiny dreams begin to rise. In the sky, a star is born, shining bright till early morn.
The second song also sounds quite cute. It meets my expectations. If you want to download the generated songs, you can click the option on the right and download them as a video package. The downloaded video includes the music cover, lyrics, and the song. Isn't that great?
Little baby, close your eyes. Tiny dreams begin to rise. In the sky, a star.
Returning to the music description field, we can enter more detailed information here for Suno to generate songs that are closer to the type we want. For example, you can specify whether the singer should be male or female. You can also enter the genre you want, such as hip-hop, R&B, rock, pop, and so on. Here, I'll try adding information about a male voice and music type to my original description to see if the generated song matches my description. The 2 songs are quickly generated again. Let's listen to them and see what differences there are.
Boy, look at the sky, shining stars up way up high. Twinkle bright, they light the night. Garden dreams till morning light. Baby boy, look at the sky, shining stars up way up high. Twinkle bright, they light the night.
Both songs sound quite good, but the only drawback is that they didn't follow my instructions to use a male voice. Next, I want to introduce another advanced generation feature. You can find the custom function at the top of the screen. Just click it to activate the feature. The first field below is the lyrics section. You can provide a few keywords and then click Make Random Lyrics to generate corresponding lyrics. This is very helpful if you're lacking inspiration for your creation. After a short wait, the lyrics are quickly generated. Next, we can enter the desired music style in the Style of Music field. Here, I'll simply enter hip-hop. Finally, enter the song title in the title field. With this, all the necessary information for generating the song content is complete. Click Create below to generate 2 songs using Suno AI based on the information you provided. Let's listen to them.
Beautiful star in a dark sky. Moon's glow shining high. Night so still, wind goes hush.
Beautiful star in a dark sky. Moon's glow shining high.
Night so still, wind goes high. Lovers' dreams in a rush.
After a brief listen to the 2 generated songs, aren't they pretty good? Finally, let me briefly summarize my experience with Suno today. First of all, I think this is a very user-friendly AI tool for those who want to create music but have no musical background. Secondly, if you are a professional music creator, I believe Suno AI can efficiently speed up the creation process. Additionally, if you are looking for inspiration, Suno AI can quickly help you find some creative directions. Overall, it is a very useful AI music creation tool. Additionally, a reminder, if you want to use the music generated by Suno for commercial purposes, you must subscribe to a paid plan. This is an important point to note. Finally, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.